Here's a couple of videos that deal with factoring and specifically sum or difference of cubes. So when you're looking for cubes, one thing you need to identify is what the cubes are. Like if you write x cubed, okay, yeah, you can see that that is x times by itself 3 times. But if you see a number at like 8, you need to be able to recognize that that is 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed. Okay, or something like 8x cubed would be the same as 2x times 2x times 2x, or 2x all cubed. Okay, so what we have here, we've got an expression that we need to factor, and I don't see any cube numbers in there. Like the cube numbers, 1 cubes 1, 2 cubes 8, 3 cubes 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed 125. I don't see one of those pretty cube numbers here. But maybe I can take a common factor out. So if I took a common factor out, I'd be left with x cubed minus 54 divided 2, 27. There's one, it's one of the pretty numbers there. So really that's the same as 2 times x cubed minus 3 cubed. And then what we can do is just use a formula to help us factor this difference of two things that are cubed. And there's the formula right up there. So I'm going to leave the 2 there, and then this to factor, I need to do this over here. So it'd be a bracket and then another bigger bracket. In the first one, it's the first thing minus the second thing. So it'd be x minus 3. And then it's the first thing squared, so that'd be x squared plus, and then a times b. So the first thing times the second thing. So x times 3 would just be 3x. And then it's b squared, or the second thing squared, so 3 squared would be plus 9. So that would be the same as that up top. You could FOIL it all out to check if you wanted to. I guess I could do that. That'd be x cubed. That'd be plus 3x. This would be plus 9x. No, this one should be x squared. And then this times this would be a minus 3x squared minus 9x and a minus 27. Then the 3x squareds cancel, the 9x's cancel, and you'd be left with, I had a 2 out front there, a 2, and then x cubed minus 27, and you see where it's going. Here's another difference, or sum of cubes. Oh, this is a sum of cubes. So 216, I'm wondering if that's a cube. Hopefully it is. So I'm thinking 6. So 6 squared is 36. And if I take 36 and times it by 6, 6 times 6, 36, carry 3, 18 plus the 216. Yeah, so 216 is the same thing as 6 cubed. And then we'll use the same idea, but this time, instead of the difference of cubes, we'll be using the sum of cubes. That guy right there. So it would be x plus 6, and then x squared minus 6 times x would be 6x, plus 6 squared, which is 36. Okay, so to factor any sum or difference of cubes, I use these formulas, and I'll give those to you on a test.